Hi guys, I am Tyra Brielle O. Alhambra. You call me Tyra or Brielle. I am student of Agoo East Central School. My teacher is Ma'am Imelda Biharata. Grade 2, hi BJ. We are gonna eat what is this again? Sour fruit and salty powder. It's like this. Like I am a Filipino, guys. That's first the little one, the smaller one. Let's go. Yes. She have a seed. It's good. This is my after eating. Next, the big one. I'm gonna the video. Okay, let's go. So yummy, guys. My baby sister is noisy. Wait a minute, guys. Okay. Chara, don't noisy. I'm lagging.
What?
No, that's bad.
Want to eat.
It's not a favorite. This is not your favorite.
I favorite.
No.
I favorite that. It's
Mama,
awesome.
Magsuot ka muna ng dress. Sige na.
Di ka naigo pa.
Naligo na ako.
Di pa.
I said to my baby sister is she wear a dress. Look.
I am a Batman.
My adding is USA. He's speaking English or a Filipino. It's my favorite juice.
Apple time. Apple. 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 Apple.
Bye bye. I done eating. I'm done eating. It's done too. Okay, this is after eating. Bye bye. See you next week.